Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic I have chosen that is all about the Pakistan's relationship with the USA, on which base Pakistan's relationship is going on with USA, because whenever we look at the history, the relationship of Pakistan was going on a very good base, and Pakistan has done a lot of sacrifices while standing with the USA, and they have been sacrificing a lot, and they have been sacrificing the costly life of the military men of the Pakistan. So this is the time when Taliban are conquering all of their homeland, Afghanistan, and now it's the time that USA forces are getting back to their own bases, and now USA is looking at Pakistan, that Pakistan must help USA, and Pakistan must give their land to USA to establish their own military bases. But Pakistan has made up a very clear refuse. They have taken a very clear stance at this situation and at this point, that they don't want to give their place for USA air base and the military base, because this is not the war of Pakistan, this is the war of USA against Afghanistan. And this is a very wise decision. This was a speech was made by Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and he is the elected member, and he is the democratic member of Pakistan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, and he has taken a very clear stance on this situation. And he said that we have been standing with the USA for a fairly long period of time, and we have sacrificed a lot, but now it's a time that we cannot stand more. If USA is saying do more, do more, Pakistan has done a lot, Pakistan has done more than that what they have required, but Pakistan cannot do any more. It's a time when Pakistan said no more, and this is a very clear and wise decision by the Pakistani government, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan has taken a very wise decision on it, that if USA is sincere enough with Pakistan, why don't they forgive all the loans taken from the IMF and the World Bank? If they are very much sincere with the Pakistan, they must uh, forgive all the loans. And on one point they say that we are friends of Pakistan, and if the Pakistanis are their friend, they must cooperate with them, and they must help them a lot. If Pakistan is single-handedly helping USA, this is for their own sake. They are doing it because they are looking to exploiting the Pakistani reservoirs. They are trying to exploit the Pakistani military men. They are trying to exploit all the Pakistanis, and this is not a fair dealing. Whenever we are dealing with our friends, we always benefit our friends. If whenever we speak that Pakistanis and the USAs are good friends, Pakistan, it was a single-handed friendship that was from the Pakistan, because Pakistan was only giving, and not taking anything from USA. Because if Pakistan is sincere enough, they with USA, USA must reciprocate in the same way. But instead of cooperating and dealing with the Pakistan nicely, as they were doing with the Israelis, because they consider Israel their true friends, and they are sharing all the strategies and the latest technology with the Israelis. If they are considering the Pakistan a true friend, they must share all the military intelligence, and they must all share everything with the Pakistan. But instead of doing all these things, they are just exploiting the Pakistan, and they are exploiting the reservoirs of Pakistan. And if there is any terrorist attack, they are blaming that Pakistan is the terrorist state, whereas the Pakistan is not a terrorist state. Pakistan is a peaceful country, and they want peace. That's why instead of so many terrorist attacks within the Pakistan didn't attack on India. In this way, we can say that USA must deal fairly, nicely, as to deal with the true friends, as they are doing with the rest of the countries. Now, Pakistan has taken a very clear stance, and Pakistan gave a route to the NATO, because all the supply was going to Afghanistan through this route of Pakistan, and Pakistan was cooperating enough uh, with USA. But even then, USA is not happy with Pakistan. They don't believe that Pakistan is loyal with USA, which is blame on Pakistan. And we clearly condemn this blame that Pakistan is a very true friend with USA. But now it's time to think about our own country. Whenever we will not think about our own country and we are working for the purpose of the fulfillment of the others desires, because what is the other desire? USA want to rule over the world. It was a time when UK ruled over the world, and they came and they conquered the various areas of the subcontinent, and they even conquered and invaded the forces in even in Afghanistan and the um, India and Pakistan before the time of partition. Now, what is the USA strategy? USA want to control and rule over the whole world. And if there is some country who is making progress, USA always try to attack on those countries on the name of the terrorism. Whereas this is the terrorism, like you are going and you are invading in some country and you are exploiting the reservoirs and you are killing their military men and you are killing their resources, and you are jeopardizing their resources, and you are killing the innocent citizens. Whereas no woman is attacking on the US military, no children is attacking on the US military. We can take the example of the Iraq, that how USA did massive bombardment on the innocent people. This is the same way after the conquering of and jeopardizing the reservoirs of Iraq and Libya and Syria. They take their next movement, that was towards Afghanistan. And Afghanistan is a country which is very hard to deal for the foreign invaders, because USA was having a very latest equipment, latest technology, latest machinery and military men. But they couldn't conquer in Afghanistan because they cannot do it. They cannot fight against the morale and the strength and the belief system which Taliban are having. And Taliban are not going to USA, and they are not doing terrorist attacks, and they didn't seek help from any other country to get the air base and the military bases. But USA is moving ahead with the help of the rest of the countries. They are making the movement with the help of the various other countries. Like there is a group of the members of the people who are having known as the NATO. They are USA is not going and attacking on any country single-handedly. Rather, they have made a group and the alliance on the name of the NATO. And if one country will think to attack on the other country, the whole NATO will attack. And just imagine on this, like whole NATO is attacking and working and staying, and they stationed in Afghanistan, but they are getting back and moving behind without any success, without any conquer, and they are getting back defeatedly. They are defeated badly. So now it's the time that Pakistan has taken a clear stance that they will not be alliance with any country. If even if the USA is there, it want to attack on some other country, Pakistan will never become alliance, because Pakistan is a peaceful country. Pakistan is a country who want peace and the progress and prosperity for the people of its own country. Because when we look at the example of China is a very good neighboring country of Pakistan. Then Iran is a very good neighboring country of Pakistan. Afghanistan is a good neighboring country, and we have sacrificed a lot. And whenever it was the war time in 1985, Pakistan did massive sacrifices, and they opened their border along with Afghanistan, and number of the militants came, and Pakistan provide them with the shelter, the bread, and some other things and the facilities which were required by the Afghan militants. So Pakistan is a very accommodating country. If USA want that Pakistan should stand with the USA, then USA need to be very sincere friend, as Pakistan have been sincere and with the USA, because it was the only one-sided support which was given by Pakistan. USA was not supporting and reciprocating in the same way as Pakistan was doing with the USA. So it's a time to think, it's time to take a step, it's time to think for our own nation. It's time to think for our own country, because if there is a country, then we are surviving. If there is no country, we cannot survive. And we cannot fight the war of other. We cannot fight the war of some distant country. If they do have a guts, they should stand on their own legs. And they are also jealous of a relationship with the China, because China is a very true neighboring country and true friend of Pakistan. And this friendship is higher than the Himalayas and sweeter than honey. So we need to stick with China, and we are a very true neighbors and the friends with the China. And a time will come when China will become a superpower. And we wish and pray that China and Pakistan become the superpower of the world. But they would be moving as a peaceful country, and the progressive countries, they will never be attacking on the other countries, because Pakistan is a very peaceful country. And Pakistan never want to fight war with any other country. It's a nuclear power, and they have taken decisions on several issues and the several points. Though Pakistan does have a nuclear power, but they didn't initiate the war at any level, at any stage, with their enemy countries. So it's a very wise step. And till the next video, Allah Hafiz.